Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. I have been waiting for this kit for years. AMT Round 2 is finally releasing the trash truck. This thing is going to be hot. Let's check it out. And then what about the trash truck?
The trash truck, we're hoping for August.
Yeah.
Everything's been told, we're just double checking everything, make sure that it's ready to go.
And that's the one Tim built.
It's the one Tim built.
Yep.
Yeah. Tim's helps us greatly, and it's an awesome build.
Yeah, he's a great guy.
And I thank him for entrusting me with his model. Let us display it for him.
Can you pick that up?
I don't want to.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
And then this works inside, doesn't it? The
yes, that
compactor?
telescope, that's actually the metal tubing that's in there will be included. And yeah, you can slide that back and forth. I don't want to do it.
Yeah, I understand.
Garbage bag's not included. That's
right.
Little Tim's detail.
Now, is the frame different?
Yes, the frame
than
is
what comes with the C cab?
Yeah, the frame is created specifically for this.
Right. So that frame didn't come in any other C cab kits?
Yeah. And I think the wheels were created new for this specifically. I think the fuel tank was a new part.
About the only thing that's original, or that's coming in other kits, is the C cab.
The C cab itself is original.
Yeah.
And it's used the same engine.
Right.
Yeah. Pretty much everything from the cab back is all new.